friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about MSI Cubi 512M compact mini computer. So friend, it is an upgrade to the compact computer series which now feature Intel's Alder platform. This article provides an overview of this compact office computer and the benefits of multi-monitor setups. And friend, remote work sceneries have become more prevalent. MSI's response to this challenge is a compact yet potent solution. The MSI Cubi 512M. The device is a compact hand-sized computer. And friend, MSI unveiled the newest iteration of the Cubi 512M, available in two distinct configurations, and essentially this mini PC receives an upgrade to Intel's Alder platform. It includes the Intel Core i3 1215U, i5 1235U, i7 1255U, thus providing either 6 or 10 core options with the top clock speed reaching up to 1.7 GHz. And friend, the high-end i7 1255U variant comes with an integrated Iris Xe graphics unit with 96 execution unit, while the i5 CPU has 80 execution units, and the device has two DDR4 RAM slots that can accommodate up to 64 GB, and along with the option to install a 2.5-inch hard drive or SSD, there is also the option to install a faster M.2 SSD such as the MSI Spatium M461, and all of this hardware is housed within a compact casing measuring just 124 by 124 by 53 mm, featuring a variety of ports on the front. This includes two USB 3.2 Type A port, one USB Type C port with Thunderbolt 4 support and combined audio jack, and the rear side hosts two USB 3.2 Gen 2 LAN ports and one DisplayPort 1.4 and HDMI 2.0 port. The device is also equipped with an integrated Wi-Fi 6E module including Bluetooth 5.3 support. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.